Hey, I'm Adam with Drone Nerds, and before you buy a drone online, there's something you need to watch out for that's been catching a lot of people off guard. We're seeing more and more buyers come to us after they purchase a drone from a third-party site, usually because the price looked too good to pass up. But we all know how that saying goes. The problem is, not all drone sellers are authorized. In fact, about 25 to 30% of the people we've been talking with have bought drones only to discover they can't even fly them. And that's where the issue starts. So here's what can happen. Some of these drones have been pre-activated, which means they've already been registered to someone else. That means you may have to contact the seller just to have them unbind the drone from their account so you can fly. Others are country locked, so they won't even function properly here in the US. And in a lot of cases, there's no manufacturer warranty, no support, and no way to verify where the drone actually came from. So while you might save a little bit of money up front, you may end up with a drone that's unusable or one that no one can help you fix. Now compare that to buying from an authorized reseller like Drone Nerds. You're getting a factory-sealed, never activated unit, full manufacturer warranty, and a product that's been sourced through official distribution channels. On top of that, you have a team that can support you before and after the sale. That makes a big difference whether you're flying for fun or you're using your drone for business, inspections, or anything critical. So here's the takeaway. If the price seems too low, there's usually a reason. And with drones, that reason can cost you a lot more in the long run. So before you buy, make sure to do your research, make sure the seller is authorized, and make sure you know exactly what you're getting. If you do have any questions or just want to make sure you're getting the right setup, talk to our team at Drone Nerds. We're here to help you get it right the first time. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.